What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I got the straw hat on, man. We going in, man. I got the Billy Thornton hat on. I had to borrow it from him, man. It'd be too hot. It'd be too hot for the work the A-Town fitted. But it coming back out. But anyway, y'all see it track day. Big Dolo. It going down, man. It's going down. Big Dolo. I'm ready. Already loaded. Like I told y'all, I left the thing on the trailer. I left that bad boy on the trailer from the other day. So we ready to go, man. I got my full nitrous bottle. I got one that partially full. Let me wipe y'all out, make sure y'all. I got one that partially full, man. We ready. We ready to go. And I might end up taking two of them today. I might take the Camaro too. So I might end up shooting 3 videos for y'all. Y'all might get 3 track videos all together today. That's all I'm gonna say. Cause today, in this video, we running Dolo on motor, man. We're gonna get them real motor hits so y'all can see what the thing really do. Cause it ready now. It's on all 8 cylinders. Everything A1, man. We checked out everything. Everything A1. It's ready to go. Shout out to Hustle Hard Performance. So I'm just waiting, man. I ain't even got to load up or none of that. Only thing I'm about to do, I'm about to hook the air compressor up and put some air in that. I'm finna put some air in that the front runners. Make sure they're on 32 pounds. Need about 32 pounds of air. So that's what I'm gonna do. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we back. We got the tire switched over. Now, on the right side, check the go ahead and check the tire pressure. I'm gonna run we're gonna try 13. About there. I ran 13 ahead last time. I'm trying 13, so I'm gonna drop this tire pressure, then go down there and make a motor hit, and they're gonna tell us what we need to know. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, about to make the first hit, the motor hit. Let's see what it do. All right, y'all, we checking.
Bigger than me.
Look, y'all, check him out now.
What's going on? What's going on?
This my boy Carl, man.
Trump, man.
Trump, man. That who ran Cuzzo. That we ran Cuzzo last week, man. He been supporting me for a minute too. I told you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Man, so we might go out here, man. He got old Dolo.
Yeah.
Got old Dolo out here, man. She looking pretty good with what I'm seeing.
We got to see.
Here begging him.
We got to see, y'all. We got to see what it do, y'all.
We're gonna try it. Just some footage, ain't we? We're gonna do it.
Hey, we'll get some footage now.
Yeah,
we'll do that. Well, yeah, man. We checking in, like I said, it felt pretty good. It was like a little stumble at the beginning, but like I said, it just got done. I don't think it was enough heat in the motor and stuff like that. I don't think it warmed up. So I'm finna check this thing out and see what it do. So y'all stay. Alright, y'all, we taking in, man. Y'all see Jesse about to make a little hit in on the motor. Gonna see what it do. I ain't been recording that, it dark, man. I ain't been recording that call, that music and stuff playing down here, but we get back to the house, I'ma holler at y'all, tell y'all what's up, so y'all stay. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. I'm tired. Man. It's about 1 o'clock, 12:45. And I'm just now getting everything put away. I'm trying to grab me a water, y'all. I ain't drunk no water like that. I'm just now getting everything put up, man. I can't wait to get my shop. So I ain't got to be doing this. Cause I don't be feeling, when I get home, man, I don't be feeling like doing it. I had took the car out the trailer car. Like, man, tomorrow I'm just gonna drive it wherever I need to drive. I'm really tired of fooling the trailer. Had to get all the stuff out. Back the trailer up. It ain't no lights out here like that, man. You catch hell backing trailer up around here. All these cars and Dodge and stuff. So I'm finna do something about that. Y'all might see that little upgrade coming soon, man. I'm finna put some street lights out there for real so you can see. It's just too dark out there, man. So I'm thirsty, y'all. But another shitty day at the track. I mean, I ain't disappointed, man. I mean, it's part of it. They're part of a new build. When you building a car, you have gremlins, man. Gremlins showed themselves again. Like I said, I went through there with Big Meats when I had that other big block in it way back in the day, all them years ago, man. First trips out, man, it was terrible. Then finally found all the gremlins, and then that mud running like it's supposed to. But same thing now, like, you know, finding the gremlins. So fix one problem, now it's something else, which I got an idea of what I think it probably is. I already got it ordered. I ordered it at the track. So I'm gonna shoot up the Summit probably early in the morning. I don't know. I might, man. I don't know. But I need to drop the car off to Lawless tomorrow so we can check over everything. Cause man, hustle hard. It's a ride for me, y'all. I just came from there now. So there's a benefit of having multiple people you deal with, man, that know what they talking about and stuff. Shout out to Jesse, man, for coming to the track today. He drove it. Then I ran the first 2 passes. I had the best CT tonight. Like I said, which was my first pass. My first pass I made in the car. But it's off. It's off, man. Y'all, you might look at it and be like, oh, it's straight. That ain't it, man. It ain't making nowhere near all the power. Like it's actually a little slower than before I made all the changes. So that's how I know it's way off. It's not just a little bit, it's way off. And you can feel it too. And you know your car, man. You know your car. I know when I first got it versus what it is now. So, you know, it's just part of the game. But we'll get it straightened out, man. It's just part of the process. But I was like, man, I should have took John Jones tonight instead. Called John Jones already ready. Only thing I gotta be done with John Jones dial in. You know, I got to meet a lot of people tonight. Cause I done started letting people know where I'm gonna be at, when I'm gonna be there. Try to give people at least a week notice so they can come out. Cause people been wanting to see the car in person and stuff. I just hate it didn't perform, man. Like I don't do it for grudging and stuff. I just do it for like y'all that watch and people that support and actually want to come out and see the car run, man. I be trying to put on a show for them people, whether they going down the track by itself or mess around with somebody. Me and my bro car, we're gonna mess around today too. But I was like, man, my car hurt, and I don't want to go out there and my car hurt like that, man. You know, when you know you're gonna take an L or whatever, which I ain't tripping about to take the L, but I don't like beating a man. I don't want to beat a man when he I don't even want to race a person when they ain't at their full potential. And I don't want to go out there when I'm not at my full potential. Cause I just want it to be a race. You know, if I get beat, I can deal with getting beat. And you beat me at my best. I really can. I can deal with that, man. I'm just like, you got the fast car. Cause you can't beat everybody. You just can't. But my car is hurt. It is. Something wrong with it. But I'm going to find out. I'm going to find out. No matter how long it take. Or no matter how much it take. I'm going to fix it. I promise you. Y'all know that. I promise you I'm going to fix it. And when it's running its full potential, people gonna see what I'm talking about. They're gonna say, oh, okay, cause it literally gonna be a night and day difference from what y'all seeing now. I'm just showing y'all the bad too. I ain't gonna hide it. I'm showing y'all the bad. So then when I get right, you can see the difference. So It's all good, BCG, man. We coming back. We got 2 in the stable. I should have took Brown Coat or took John Jones tonight, but it's all good. The boxes, they want to put up a fight. But we're going to get them right. We're going to get Big Dolo right, then Meech. Probably going to battle some gremlins with Meech. It's just part of the game. I might not, but either way, you know, we're going to get Dolo ironed out, and then we're gonna get on Meech. So, yeah, that's it, man. Now, next week, I'm going to hit a track again, man. I don't know where I'm going to go. I'm going to hit a track again. But I'm going to bring, it'll be John Jones, called Brown Coat going in for paint. So y'all won't see that. Next time y'all see it, step out of that track. It's going to be clean. Probably going to have the gas on too. But John Jones will be out. John Jones will be out. I'm going to be racing that right now. That's the car that's on go. And that's my headhunter. So, yeah, that's it, man. I'm finna go in the house at 1 o'clock. By the time I get finished editing this and then all that other stuff, man, I'm probably gonna go to bed about 3 or 3:30 tonight, man. But it's just a sacrifice. I did the stuff people don't see, man. You don't grind, you don't shine. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. Yeah.